idea of how to fix the Logitech G303 mouse rattling problem. Listen to this noise. Yeah, and that's it, and I've got two of them and both are 40. Listen. You are probably wondering what's causing that weird rattling noise. And yeah, that's the optical lens that is under the sensor and it's not tied down properly. So, we are going to fix it now. First of all, I'm gonna grab a flathead screwdriver and I start to remove the feet at the top and at the bottom too. Okay, top is down. Now, the same for the bottom. Under the feet you will find 3 screws, 2 at the top and 1 at the bottom. You will have to remove them. Now grab the left and right mouse button with one hand and the cable with the other, and gently pull apart the top cover from the bottom. Now there are 3 more screws you have to remove to get access to the lens. I speed up the video here. I'm gently pulling out the inside part, and there is the lens. As you can see, it's wobbling, so we will have to fix that. So I'm going to use a double-sided tape to fix the rattling of the lens. You can use a piece of paper too or something like that. I cut 2 small squares like this. I use to keep it balanced. Now you can stick them to the lens or you can stick them to the bottom case. Just like this. Be careful though to place them far from the middle of the lens so it won't confuse the sensor. As you can see, here is how I fixed my mouse. So now the hardest part is done, we just have to put it all back together. I put the inside part back and all the screws too. Make sure it's all tightened well. Now comes the top shell, put it back too. Oh, I missed to place back the side buttons as well. Screws back at the bottom and the feet too, and basically that's it. hope your mouse is not faulty, but if it has the same issue, now you know how to solve it. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, this is a video tutorial of how to fix the Logitech G303 mouse rattling problem. Listen to this noise. Yeah, and that's it, and I've got two of them and both are faulty. Listen.